showed up already. They're super easy to install. Hardware, decal, instruction, progressive air bubbles, idiot. 10mm socket, 17mm socket. Come on, you piece of crap. But now we're good to go. What's up, dirt people? Got a special install for you guys today. Some off-road upgrades that you might not have heard about. They're for Silverados, but they do work for the ZR2. We had done it for the Colorado Zr2 also. They're bump stops, and you know, got to worry about leaking or whatever. You just put them on. They're no maintenance and they're super quiet. I do want to upgrade a Chevrolet Performance when they come out, but that's gonna be a while and they're pricey. So just to recap, I just mounted the jack on there. Those tires are just there for a wheel swap program for the Colorado Zr2, and I got my air tank on there. So put you guys on my head. We'll do a dismount, unboxing really quick. Hoping for a good camera angle. No, I should block out my address, huh? These are cool. They're an American company. I ordered them on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, and they showed up already. They're super easy to install. Come with all the hardware, some Loctite, some decals, some instructions. Oh, all right. We'll see what spacers. But these are them. So the blue ones are the off-road variant. If you want them for cargo, for loading, get the black ones. But what they are, they're progressive air bubbles. So they have millions of air bubbles, and there's less on the base and on the front. So the initial squeeze is a lot easier, and then it gets stiffer and stiffer. These are going to be a little bit short because they're designed for the for the Silverado. So this one's a little bit taller, but that's good because I don't want it springier. I just want it right at the end to give a little more help. And then for towing too a little bit. But like I said, I stuck with the off-road one. You could go just for the towing versions. And obviously these spacers, I don't know. So seems pretty simple. I'll check it out. I'll go through the instructions. I'll install one side. That's how I always do it. And then I'll figure out what tools I need exactly, and I'll come back and show you guys how to install the second side. Should be super easy if your name's not Larry. Sorry, Larry. All right, so I did the driver's, idiot. All right, so I did the passenger side. This is all you need, a 10mm socket, probably the small one. And this is in there. You just take this off. Save all your GM stuff. I've said it in previous videos. You're not going to match the finish of these bolts. This is military grade, not aerospace. Way better than grade 8 hardware, all that stuff. So save those. The bolt you're going to use, it comes with two, the little one and the big one. Use the big one if you're towing. You put this on. So I don't know if the black ones and these are identical and just this base is different and they ship with both. But I'm going to save these for when I do tow. 10mm socket and 17mm socket. You're getting an extension, maybe different types. So I used the jack just to be able to get this in there. It didn't fit. And I'll go under there and show you the clearance. So this one's installed already. I don't know where you guys can see you see how much space? It's almost touching. So with the spacer, if I ever have to tow the Raptor again, or when I do, I'll put them back on. They're super easy. I mean, 5 minutes really. And then this one is the stock one still, and you can see the difference. See how much space there is? So you don't need a jack. You got plenty of room to get under there. But for install, the other bolt's kind of tough. So I'm gonna jack it up, create some space, and then I'll take you down under there with me to show you what you need. All right, so jack's all set up. We're going under. Sorry for sideways stuff, views. Try not to hit your jack, you'll die. I should be using jack stands, but if it comes down, it won't go all the way down. Let's break this guy loose. And I noticed that after installing or just on your stock equipment, apparently as soon as this bolt loosens, it rotates. So to check for snugness, you don't got to get under there, just grip them and turn them. If they rotate, get under there and tighten it. With this equipment or the new SuperSprings International. Also, we're not sponsored by them. I reached out to them in case they wanted footage. We've given them footage before, but we paid retail for this and I didn't contact them till after I was ready to purchase. They didn't even ask for a promo code. You're not gonna beat this deal, guys. Especially if you want to be a Chevrolet Performance snob like myself. These are pretty cheap, quiet, and made in America. So, hurry up, Chevy. the bolt. All right, now the best method I found for this, sorry for the sideways angle. Drop the bolt in. And this one, it doesn't matter which way you go. So once you have the bolt in like that, you put some Loctite on it. Piece of crap. So this is the tricky part. Put the socket in here, make sure it's engaged. And then you just finger tighten it and it gets tight right away. My cheap fancy tools. All right. I'm not sure if the instructions said how much to torque it down to. Oh, come on, you piece of crap. I'll check right now and I'll put it on the screen because I suck. But, oh, well, screw you. I don't need you. I got your big brother here. Oh, shoot. Let's see if it'll go in, though. I should have spit on it. Sorry, we're family friendly. So, yeah, I was pretty much there. I just don't trust those little... There we go. Oh, come on. Again with this? All right. Yeah, this is the toughest part. This is why I had to jack it up. But now we're good to go. I'll get you guys some footage and I'll try to bottom it out, even though I haven't been able to bottom it out with the stock stuff. But we're gonna jump this weekend, so maybe I'll put in a teaser footage if I get to edit it. If not, you're gonna have to watch the next video. So until next time, keep upgrading your truck, keep buying made in America parts if you can, and of course, keep it dirty.